Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Hindu voice on eleevn Labs. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your voices section on eleevn Labs. So what you do is to go to eleevn Labs website and choose the voices section. On the voices section, navigate to the collections option here and click on it. Then scroll down to the section titled or labeled languages or language, and you would click on the next button to look for the Hindu package. Once you click on the Hindu package, it should appear like this, and all you have to do is to sample each of the voice and get a voice that speaks to you. So once you found the voice, the next step is to add it to the my voices section. From my voices section, you can now utilize or use modulate the voice to suit your purpose. Thank you very much and do have a great day.